Welcome back to my channel, asking for and giving opinion.
Robbie, your hair looks too long and messy.
Do you think so?
Yes, remember, you are still a student.
It's okay, Dad. It's still school holiday.
You must cut your hair. The school will begin next Monday. You just have 2 days left.
Dad, before I cut my hair, please imagine and give your opinion of my new hairstyle will be.
Okay.
Style 1. What do you think?
That's great. It looks neat and clean.
Style 2. What about this?
That is punk style. Of course not.
Style 3. It is cool, isn't it?
That is nice, but the front hair is too thick.
Style 4. It is the last style.
That is also nice, but you must thin the front hair.
By the way, what do you think the best hairstyle for me?
Of course, style 1. It suits you.
Okay, Dad. I'll go to the barber tomorrow.
Great.
Look how handsome I am.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.